Okay, welcome to the string thing part 3. um, the string thing experiment part 3. This time I'm going to use a black base, which I think I have prepared. I've got a copper and a silver. The copper has some silicone oil in it. I'm going to try a different type of use of the string this time to see how it works. So let's see what happens. On we go with the black. I've got a huge container of black pre-prepared, which should give a nice kind of luxurious kind of, there we go, base to work with. Okay, I'm going to pause there and just put that aside. And I'm going to spread that with the just with a paintbrush or something like that. Just, oh, it's lovely and thick. It's really nice. Let's just move it around a little bit, make sure it's nice and spread out. You can hear my daughter playing piano upstairs. Sounds great, I love it. Well, maybe you can hear it, maybe not, but I can hear it. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that now. Let's try and get it back into the same place. Don't mind the mess around it. Like I said, I will clean it up after, and all that will be reused. So I've got my copper here, ready to go, and I've got my silver here, which is also ready to go. I'm just going to give them a quick stir because I can see some separation, just a little, because of the oil in the copper. And the silver, just it was hard to mix the silver actually. It didn't want to take the water for some reason. Okay. Strange. Anyway, maybe does paint go off? I wasn't aware if it did. Anyway, let's try a little bit of the silver first. So I've got my string for my string thing part 1. In it goes. Okay, down into it. Get in there. Okay, and I don't need as long a piece of string this time because my plan is, if this will come out in reasonable shape, my plan is to drag it from one corner across. I'm not going to use it like a line like I did before. So here we go. I gotta get that back in there, same as I did. Okay, we'll do that one more time. The string thing experiment. Come on. Let's see if we can make this work. Okay. Up, across, and down. And there we go. Nice. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, here we go. So back in, I'm going to try the copper. Like I said, this one has the silicone oil. Whether it has any effect or not, we'll see. Stir, 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 stir. Good job. Okay. Okay, we got, this is the tricky part with this sort of stuff. You get a little bit of hairs and stuff like that attached to it. Okay, I'm going to pause and just try to take that long one off of it. Do you know, I don't think that came off the wall at all. I think it's my daughter's. Okay, let's go. From the same place. I'm just going to dunk it a little bit. And I'm going to take it from here. Kind of like that, yeah. Okay. It's interesting looking. I'm now going to hit it with the heat gun and see what happens, because it is an experiment. Getting some nice cells. Okay. Might be interesting to put this on the cake stand actually and spin it the next time I try. Okay, I'm going to just play with it again. I've got a hand this time. I need a hand, and I'm going to just tweak. I don't want to touch it too much more. I think I kind of like it, so there isn't much more to be done. I'll show you, I'll take you down and see why I like it now in a moment. Because I know the angle I have you at is kind of poor because of the light above. But I'm going to stop there. I'm going to hit it with the gun. One last time. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Let's see how we go. What you think? Let me move this stuff out of the way. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. It's better, isn't it? It's all about the angle, isn't it? So here we go. See the lovely cell structure around there, and it's just coming nicely over the edges. Just, I don't think it's too much. I think it looks lovely. Plenty of dead space. I was going to use 3 colours in this, but I think 2 colours was enough. Kind of has that lovely kind of, I don't know, what type of texture would you describe it as? It's kind of, I don't know. I can't really describe it. I just think it looks pretty. If you've got an answer, let me know. There. I have to take a picture of this as well. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just another way of playing around with the paint, of moving it differently. Different type of string thing experiment today. It's like doing a swipe with live paint on a string, basically. Kind of interesting. Subscribe if you like it. Bye.